After several weeks, I'm back again with another video. And this time to unbox another beautiful piece of technology. Stay tuned. Alright, so honestly, after several weeks, this was actually rather rushed. I decided to shoot this on the spot right after going from the mall. Anyways, look at this beautiful Apple Watch Series 3 Nike edition, space gray. So today we're gonna unbox it, and honestly my narration won't be as good as right now, but it's mostly because I'm tired and it's actually evening right now. But anyways, I already cut the plastic off, and then look at that beautiful back, or the bottom rather. There we go. That is beautiful. This is rather rushed, and I just want to, honestly, the main point of this video is more of me telling my opinions, and honestly right now, I am excited. There we go. Starting off, we have that beautiful Apple box. Can it focus? There we go. Designed by Apple and Nike. Now let's see what we have here first. Actually, look at that beauty. It's already right there inside. But let's see what's inside here first. This is... look at that beauty. Right there. Some instructions. Digital crown, of course. Most of these are Arabic. I think there's an English version here. No, there isn't. I mean, there is. But I mean... oh, so this is supposed to be the English one. Yeah, my bad. So this is English. There we go. Digital crown, turn to scroll, zoom, adjust. Press and hold for Siri, side button. Press to view apps, double click for Apple Pay. Beautiful, the heart rate sensor, speaker, air vent, mic. Display, swipe up, press and hold. Okay, basic stuff again. Oh, and this must be the spare band. Beautiful. Or actually, we could just put it on the side first. Then, time for the actual beautiful baby. There we go. Actually, space gray. Let's put this aside first, and let's see what else is in the box. As usual, Apple accessories, power brick, and the charger, which I assume is magnetic. There we go. That connects to the back. Yep, like that. It's magnetic. And time for the peeling. Listen to the beautiful plastic. That wasn't beautiful. Oh, look at the beauty right there. Ooh, that is so beautiful right now. And I could remove this fake Apple Watch. That's fake. Yes, sirree. We could put all this junk on the side first. And focus on our main thing. This baby. Now let's turn this on, which I assume is this button. And there's the Apple logo. Let me actually put it on so that I could feel how it feels so good on the wrist. To continue, connect Apple Watch to the charger. Okay, I just need to charge this real quick. Okay, I bet this just snaps on like this. Look at this beautiful magnetic thing. Right? It's here. Then, oh, other side. Watch this. Bam! It just charges on like that. Bring iPhone near watch. Oh, cool! Okay, so I have my iPhone here. There you go, screen recorder on. So, I have my iPhone here. Bring iPhone near the watch. Oh, there you go. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Okay, I'm just gonna click continue. Oh, no wonder. It's still downloading. Anyway, while it's... let me just scroll down here to Philippines. There we go. Watch app on your iPhone and start pairing. Okay. I seriously love Apple's W1 chips. If I'm correct, if I'm not mistaken, it's the W1 chip, which helps it pair. And oh, look at this. Look at this. It's in screensaver mode, I think, right now. And it's still pairing. So, yeah. I mean, it's still loading, sorry, downloading rather. Start pairing. Good evening. If you have an Apple Watch, you can pair it with your iPhone here. Start pairing. There we go. Put your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Oh, so it just scans like this. Then, cool. There, so I just scanned this. Then, now it just needs to update now. So I need to connect this and update this so it could connect to the latest watch OS. That is so brilliant. No wonder it's so expensive. All the money goes to the software. Like there's so much software. Like it's like literally magical now. It's like futuristic. There you go. Watch OS 4.3.2. This update includes bug fixes. Make sure your Apple Watch is on its charger in range of your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi. Okay. Download and install. Then I need to enter my password, which of course I'll cut. Finally, after a while, it finally, oops. Okay, the charger went off again. Oh, there, look at that beautiful watch face. Welcome to the watch app. My watch, just settings, organize apps, face gallery, app store. Beautiful. Okay, now we have this, and oh, I can customize it. Nicholas Apple Watch, find my Apple Watch, unpair Apple Watch. It's beautiful. Now, I can look at my face gallery, and these are all my all the watch faces. That is beautiful. Now I guess I could actually I have an idea. I could use I need to enter the pass. Actually, let me put this on my wrist first. No, that does not look nice. Let's go here, make it digital. These are all common things. Anyway, let me try checking here. What can I open? Let's see. Ooh, these are all this stuff there. Let me try opening all the apps. And look at that. Those are all the apps right there. Okay, what's that? Oh, notifications. There we go. Those are all the apps right there. And I can still download them through my iPhone. That is beautiful. Now before I end this video, I just want to, since this is water resistant, just like every other water resistant product I have, of course this should survive with just a basic glass of water right there. And that is beautiful. And that is soaking wet and it still works. Anyways, that was about it. Can I get my phone. But yeah, anyway, this is fun. I could do this all day. Anyways, that was about it. There's just the unboxing, and this is just tap water. Anyways, that was about it. If you like this video, you know how the like button works, and it would be great if you could follow me on Facebook, SoundCloud, and Twitter, as well as subscribing to both my channels on YouTube. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.